And the only thing that's connected to it, just so you know, we should take one of those rings. There's nothing connected to this except for Ethernet. Okay, the backside of this is simply Ethernet. Ethernet goes into a router. The router goes into an NVIDIA grid. That UI that you saw just a second ago, the grid UI, that entire layer of middleware, that UI was rendered in the cloud. That UI wasn't rendered here. As a result, you could imagine whatever UI, whether TV is this model or that model, so long as it has an Ethernet jack and an application processor, that UI could be exactly consistent. You don't have to port the UI in a client for every single one of the televisions out there. Andrew, what are you playing here?
So I'm playing a game called Trine. It's a pretty fun game. I've been playing it for a while now. I'm a big fan of the series. And what I like about the game is, you know, when you tell people, you know, what do you do in the game? Well, you're a wizard, you're a thief, you're a mage. I like to think of it as I'm a guy with a sword, I'm a girl with a grappling hook, I'm a guy with a magic wand.
And you're all that at the same time.
You're not all that at the same time. The Trine is this magical object that lets you sort of change characters as you go. So when you're trying to solve puzzles and save the world, you can change a different character, you have different things, and you can see here's my girl now running around with her grappling hook. And it's kind of fun. It's a beautiful world. It's completely rendered. The graphics are beautiful and smooth. And again, this is something just amazing for me to see this rendered all locally right here.
That's amazing. And so we're looking at a television that's, this is the latest smart television from LG.
That's correct.
And all we've done is we've taken the grid receiver client and they've ported that grid receiver client to their television, and as a result, once you plug in Ethernet, you can stream the video game that's processing on one of these GPUs on a grid server.
No, absolutely. Now, what I love about it is that you get access to all these games instantly on a TV. But I'm sure, like me, you travel a lot, right? You can't take your games with you all the time. You have saved games, like I'm doing now. I'm saving this game, and one of the things that I like to do is, after I'm done playing my game, if I go on the road like CS. I don't have access to these games.
Now this is cloud computing.
Well, it is cloud computing. The thing that I like
cloud computing. So what could you do with cloud computing?
Well, the thing I like about cloud computing is that if I bring a device with me like my Zeus Transformer Prime, I can easily launch the grid application.
Now go back. I think that they didn't change the view fast enough. Go back to, so this is a transformer. This is now an Android tablet, and there's a little client on there called NVIDIA Grid.
That's correct.
Right? Now this could be the Transformer Prime. This could be the Nexus 7. It could be a Galaxy Tab. It could be right HTC One X. It could be frankly it could be an Xbox. It could be anything. Right? It has anything with enough, and it doesn't have to be very much. I mean.
It's just decoding video at the end of the day, right? So you can do lots of different devices.
So you launch this little client, and magically, amazingly, exact same UI shows up. This is the same UI that we showed.
All the games that I had over there, I have over there. And I think what makes it really amazing, as I said, is if I go on the road and I always try to, I want to do the right thing and I try not to get into trouble on the road. If you want to play games, it's a great secret. Don't get into trouble, you play games on the road then. And you can see here where I was in the game. I'll just go ahead and I'm going to go to single player and I'm going to load that save game I had just a second ago, and you'll see that I'll pick up playing exactly where I was in the television.
Oh, no way. All right.
This is my guy from the Canadian store. I'm a big fan of this guy. I'm a pretty simple guy when it comes to things, and I like boulders and rocks and flaming swords.
So this is fantastic. So first of all, you're getting a graphics experience. You're getting a 3D gaming experience that isn't possible on even the Transformer Prime today. But the fact that you have the game in the cloud, you can get all the same benefits that you would have had with Kindle books or any of your cloud applications.
Just
wherever you left off, you pick up.
Absolutely. Like you can pick up your videos, watch them anywhere you want, pick up your games, play them whenever you want on any device.
Oh, that's terrific. All right, congratulations. Thank you.